Smell the sea, feel the sky, let your soul and spirit fly. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Milan and I'm going to take you guys to a beautiful and breathtaking island in Fiji named Mana Island. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Mana Island. It's 3 p.m. in Mana Island. I'm so happy. Finally, we made it after 24 hours, more than 24 hours. And right now, we are just going to eat something. We are hungry. And after that, we will head to the beach. It is super hot. So let's go and feed ourselves. And then I'll take you guys to the beach.
This is like a very
you would need a
staple
spoon for this, won't you? Right? You have to get a spoon. That's another bite. Tastes good.
We stayed at beachfront Mana Island Resort and Spa, which is surrounded by stunning turquoise seas and white sandy beach. You can also stay at the Mana Island village as well. I'm going to make a separate video on the resort, but for now, enjoy this vlog.
Yo, enjoying the sunshine on this beautiful island.
Meaning of the word mana is positive energy, and I hope you're getting some positive energy while watching at the sea, me, and this vlog.
Pani, pani,
Pani, pani, pani, or dil bhi sunny, 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 sunny. Aa jao on the beach, yaar, photo meri kheech. Oh, और भी नमकीन हो गई हो. Having a wonderful time at the beach. I am so grateful for this, and I want to share an advice from the ocean with you all. Don't get so tied down on the work that you miss out on life's beautiful waves. Be sure of yourself. Come out of your shell. Take time to coast and see the life's beauty as it is. Cost of the stay in Mana Island Resort and the food, I'm gonna share the details in the next vlog, which is resort vlog. In this video, I'm just gonna share the time I've spent there, the activities I've done, like watching sunset, sunrise, and scuba diving. So just enjoy the vlog as it is. But if you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section below and I can add it in the next vlog. Thank you so much. After an amazing day at the beach, I am all set to go out for some party. So let's go and enjoy some DJ night and have some good dinner. Good morning everyone. It's 6 a.m. in Mana Island. I just woke up 10-15 minutes late and going for watching the sunrise. So let's go and enjoy the beautiful sunrise. This rock was not easy to cross and the waves were very strong in the morning, but it was worth it. Look at the movement of Shweta. Let me take you to the other side and give you an exclusive, exquisite look of the sunrise. A, B, C, D, E, F, I, you and I, watching the sunrise. Mwah! And
Getting
enjoying,
some vitamin D smell.
feeling can't be expressed. It is time to have breakfast, and I'm having this delicious and fresh onion, tomato, cheese, and mushroom omelette, and it looks yummy. Thank you so much. It is time for the adventure, scuba diving. I'm listening the instructions very carefully because I have to pass the test so that the diver can take me for the scuba diving. It's time to get ready. I'm not a professional or trained scuba diver and I barely know swimming, but I love adventures and I'm all set to go underwater. I have spent 200 Fijian dollars on scuba diving activity for the beginners. We are two, so we have spent 400 Fijian dollars for both of us. Now it's time for me to dive in. In the first part of Fiji Island, I have told you that I'm going to tell you a fact about Fiji in all the part of the Fiji series. So this is a fact number 2. Fiji was a mispronunciation. In 1774, Captain Cook, a British explorer, landed in Fiji, met a Tongan and asked what is the name of the island. They said Viti, but he misheard the word and pronounced it Fiji. So the name is credited to Captain Cook. My trip is going absolutely amazing. In the morning, I have seen beautiful sunrise. What an experience it was! Breathtaking, I'll say in one word. In the afternoon, I have experienced scuba diving, and right now I'm going for chasing the sunset. Such a feeling. Can you hear the sound of these beautiful waves behind me? Never thought that I will find myself alone on this beautiful island, feeling grateful, and the best thing is that sun is setting out there. Wow, blessed to the core. आसमान में जब तक सितारे रहेंगे, मैं और मेरी खुशी के परवाने रहेंगे. This glow on my face. Maybe I'm not a star, but I'm still shining like one. Mwah. And it is time to celebrate the night with this majestic and colorful cocktail. Day 3, me and Shweta are going for the breakfast. Patrali is getting ready. And after the breakfast, we will go to the Mana Island village, which is next to the Mana Island. and we will enjoy some time with locals and enjoy their delicacies.
Hey guys, we are having so much fun here in the lovely blue azure waters of Fiji. We are here on the Mana Island Resort, and there you can see Milan floating, swimming, having fun. Yay!
Thank you for a good service. Canada. Yeah. Bulla. I like turquoise color. Blue.
So you get the beads and everything.
It's a beautiful lady.
Yes, then you just come in.
Beautiful lady, Ruth.
Thank you. That is such a big knife. Do you use it only for coconut?
Yeah, for cutting the firewood, or cutting the big fish, or anything big.
Yeah.
Cheers. Bulla.
Found a beautiful, I don't know what this is, but found it.
Shell.
Kind of a shell, I guess so. But it matches my top, so
If you have to describe Mana Island experience in one word.
Very beautiful.
majestic.
Incredible. Bulla. Do you like to chase sunset? If yes, let me take you to another lookout point and we will chase sunset and you will see the whole Mana Island from this point. We both are wearing similar kind of clothing like green and white with printed leaves and trees on that, and I'm so happy that my brown skin is glowing different under the sun. But it's time to end the day beautifully with this sunset. It is time to enjoy some performances. With the same vibe and energy, it is time for me to say goodbye to you all guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends. It's time to say goodbye.